By 2035, artificial intelligence is predicted to be deeply integrated into every facet of our lives, promising a future of unprecedented change. Experts forecast AI could inject a staggering $15 trillion into the global economy, transforming industries from healthcare to education. Yet, beneath this veneer of progress lies a chilling reality, a future where AI's advancements could lead to terrifying consequences. One of the most immediate threats is widespread job displacement, as automation powered by AI renders countless human roles obsolete. Imagine factories run entirely by machines, offices managed by algorithms, and service industries devoid of human interaction. This shift could lead to unprecedented levels of unemployment, creating a societal crisis of immense proportions. Beyond the economic impact, the rise of AI also brings the specter of increased surveillance. By 2035, AI-powered cameras and sensors could monitor every public space, tracking our movements, conversations, and even our emotions. This pervasive oversight could erode personal privacy, creating a world where every action is recorded and analyzed. Ethical concerns also loom large, as AI systems make increasingly complex decisions without human oversight. Who is accountable when an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, or an AI medical diagnostic system makes a fatal error? The very definition of morality could be challenged as machines determine outcomes based purely on programmed logic. Perhaps the most terrifying prediction is the potential for AI's misuse, particularly in the realm of autonomous weaponry. Imagine drones and robots capable of identifying and eliminating targets without human intervention, leading to a new era of warfare. The implications for global stability and human rights are profound, raising questions about control and accountability. By 2035, the line between human and machine could blur, with AI influencing our thoughts, choices, and even our identities. This future, while offering immense potential, also presents a terrifying vision of a world where humanity's role is diminished. The predictions for 2035 are not just about technological advancement, they are a stark warning about the future we are creating. It is imperative that we consider these terrifying possibilities now to ensure that AI serves humanity rather than enslaving it.